Waalaikumsalam.
Miss. Okay, guys. How are you today?
I'm
I'm
good, Miss.
And you? Fine. Very well. Thank you so much for asking me. Okay, guys. I wanna turn on the breakup first. Cindy, can you help me? Okay, turn on this. Sure. Okay. And my partner. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Yes. Okay. Who's the leader in this class?
Cindy.
Can you lead to pray first?
Okay, before we going to start our lesson, let's pray together in our heart. Begin. Finish. Greet our teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, I'll check the attendance list first. Please say present if I call your name, okay?
Okay, Miss.
By the way, who's absent today?
Irena.
Irene. Okay, why?
Sick.
Okay, absent. Muna,
Muna.
Cindy,
Present.
Annie,
Present.
Rosani,
Present, Miss.
Amalia, absent. Okay, absent. Where am I? I don't know. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, are you remember what the last material? Is that one?
I don't know. Maybe context.
Okay, I will time for you. In context. Before I going to teach you guys, I have a game. The name of this game actually, what story is it? Actually, this is guess who am I? But I changed a little bit to the what story is it? I'll give some clues, then you shoot to answering my question, okay?
Okay.
The first clue is the story about the princess, and I will give a clue. This is actually the story coming up to the movie, and this is the famous movie. I already have watched it, and I'm sure that you guys are already have watched it, right? The soundtrack is Do you wanna build a snowman?
Oh, I know.
Wait, can you sing it?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Do you
wanna
wanna
build
build
a
a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come on the door. It's gonna run away. Okay, guys. What song is it? Can you? Frozen, that's right. 10 point for you guys. Okay, the second clue is this is the legend story of Indonesian, and this is very famous. This is from Sumatera Barat or South Sumatra. I'm sorry. Okay, I will give you a little bit scene or conversation of the story like this. Please, mom, don't curse me. I will be a rock man. What story is it? Can you? That's right. Main Gundam. And Main Tuna and Ami. Okay, the third clue is this is actually the original soundtrack again, and the soundtrack is a whole new world. Oh my God, you guys are clever. guys. Your mom maybe always telling you some story that you can fall asleep. What story is it? Is anyone remember what story?
Sankulian.
For my example is Cinderella. Oh, I wanna ask you, Ami, what's your favorite story when you were child?
Ikatan Cinta.
Oh, Rapunzel. Wow, Rapunzel. What story is it? Is it about the? I know this is the long hair and the castle. The high castle. Okay, the tall castle. Okay, thank you, Ami. And Una, what's your favorite?
SpongeBob.
Cinderella. What story is it? Or you remember what story of Cinderella?
She's had a swoosh.
The shoes and all the was it the mirror shoes? And then
And
she's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. And she has prince.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. How about you?
Sansa.
Steven, what's your favorite story when you were childhood?
Cinderella.
Cinderella. Sampai
I like.
Okay, what story? What you remember when you hear Cinderella?
She falling in love with Prince.
Oh my God! Cindy, how about Cherry?
I watched the story about Snow White.
Snow White. What's the story? I don't know actually.
It's about apple. Apple. She
And pineapple.
sleeping for a long time.
Oh my God! And there is a kucing. That's little human.
Yeah.
Little man. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, thank you guys.
What is Kurucaci?
Kucici is a little man that the friend of man. Yes. Yes. Thank you so much, Amin. Okay, guys, can you guys guess what we are going to learn today? That's right. Wait. Absent number 1. Number 4. Number 4. 10 point. Thank you, Amin.
Thank you.
Okay. Narrative text. Narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain people like you like what is it? You like the story about Rapunzel, Cinderella, and also
Snow White.
Kind of imaginative story, right? To entertain people and you like to read it. It's really happy when you are read the narrative text. And the purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with the story that we talk later. Okay, the generic structure of narrative. There are 4 generic structure of narrative text: is orientation, complication, resolution, and orientation. Okay, the first is the orientation. Is it about the opening paragraph where the characters of the story are introduced? It is about who, what,
And
where the
and
story
stuff.
from. For example, like Cinderella. Who is the characters are?
Cinderella and Prince. Cinderella kind person.
Yes, Prince, the kind of
Prince,
person.
yeah.
And there is
Mother.
mother's stepmother is really mad, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And
thank you.
stepsister.
Okay, thank you so much. And the complication, where is the problem? The complication is where the problems in the story develop. Okay, I talk about the Cinderella again. What is the complication of the story?
Complication of stepmother always made Prince and
Yes.
band princess
Yes.
to come in
The castle.
the castle.
Okay. The prince want to find the Cinderella, the real Cinderella,
Yeah,
right?
there.
With the
Shoes.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, the second and the next is resolution.
Yeah.
Resolution where the problems in the story is solved or how the characters to solve the problems. Okay, I mean, you like Rapunzel, right? Can you tell me what the resolution of that story? Can you?
Maybe I forget.
Cinderella. Okay, Cinderella.
The prince can find
The real
Cinderella.
Okay.
Yes, with glasses.
Oh, there's size the same
Yes,
size.
it's the same size.
Okay.
So cute.
Thank you so much, Candy. Okay, the last is the orientation. This is actually not. What? No. Okay. Please sign on. Okay. Okay. The last is the orientation. What's reorientation? Is it actually not including to the story, but this is about the lesson from the story or what we can get from that story that has a meaning? Like Cinderella again or Snow White? Yes, you want to what the lesson from this story? Snow White. Oh, you do. Okay.
Cinderella again.
Cinderella
We
again.
should be patient person.
Okay.
And the result can beautiful.
Beautiful. And honestly person.
Honestly
Right?
person.
Yes.
It's important.
That's important. Not just beautiful. We should to have pure heart.
Pure heart.
And kind
Person. Yes, kind person.
That's right.
So the people can kind person to me.
Wow. Oh my God. I don't believe. You don't believe me?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Finish this.
The
No,
problem
no.
finish.
Oh, I have the video. What this narrative text is it about? Can you see the WhatsApp group I've sent to WhatsApp?
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello friend, long time no see. Welcome back to Gia Academy YouTube channel. How is your day? Your day is fun, isn't it? Have you ever spent your time to read novel or tale that is read by your mom before going to bed and watching for a tale with family in day off? All these activities are fun, aren't they? Do you know, all text and the story script are example of narrative text. So, in this video, we will learn narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that past tense. Teks naratif adalah jenis teks imajinatif atau faktual, cerita yang mungkin saja terjadi pada masa lalu, dengan rangkaian peristiwa atau ceritanya dari waktu ke waktu dijabarkan secara kronologis atau berurutan. Jadi, teks naratif bisa cerita imajinasi dan bisa juga cerita yang benar terjadi ya. Berikut ini contoh genre dari teks naratif. First, fable merupakan cerita yang mengisahkan tentang binatang. Contohnya, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Second, myth, yaitu cerita atau mitos yang banyak berkembang pada masyarakat dan umumnya dianggap menjadi cerita yang faktual atau benar-benar terjadi. Contoh, Nyi Roro Kidul. Third, legend, cerita rakyat yang mengisahkan asal-usul dari suatu tempat, seperti The Story of Toba Lake. Genre selanjutnya adalah folktale. Cerita ini diceritakan secara turun-temurun sehingga menjadi bagian dari tradisi masyarakat. Misalnya, cerita Malin Kundang. Next, fairy tales merupakan cerita anak-anak yang di dalamnya mengandung unsur keajaiban atau ketidakmungkinan terhadap para tokoh dan pada bagian akhir mengandung pesan moral. Contohnya, The Ghost with the Golden Eggs. And then, love story merupakan cerita yang mengangkat tema perjuangan seorang tokoh untuk memperoleh cinta tokoh utama, seperti The Story of Romeo and Juliet. Selain beberapa genre tadi, juga ada genre lainnya seperti science fiction, horror, history, slice of life, personal experience, and etc. And then, what is the purpose of narrative text? There are some purposes or functions to entertain the readers, untuk menghibur pembaca. To amuse the readers, membuat pembaca jadi bahagia. To teach moral value, untuk mengajarkan nilai-nilai moral. To change social opinion, dan untuk mengubah anggapan masyarakat umum tentang suatu perilaku atau peristiwa. There are three generic structure of narrative text. First, orientation atau biasa disebut pendahuluan. Second, complication atau konflik. And resolution atau penyelesaian masalah. Let's discuss more. First, generic structure orientation. It set the scene and introduce the participants. Bagian ini digunakan untuk mengenalkan tokoh, tempat, dan waktu kejadian. Second, complication tells the problem of the story and how the main characters solve them. This part includes situation, activities, or events that lead problem to the climax. It shows when the crisis arise. Complication menceritakan awal masalah hingga masalah menjadi klimaks. Bagian ini biasanya banyak melibatkan karakter utama untuk menyelesaikan konflik tersebut. And then, resolution. The crisis is resolved for better or worse. It shows the end of the story, usually a happy ending. Bagian ini adalah akhir dari cerita atau berupa solusi dari masalah yang terjadi. Masalah dapat diselesaikan menjadi lebih baik atau lebih buruk. Inilah nantinya yang akan membuat cerita berakhir bahagia atau sebaliknya. Selain beberapa struktur teks tadi, juga terdapat struktur lainnya yang bersifat opsional. Boleh ada atau tidak. Di antaranya, evaluation, the stepping back to evaluate the story or the moral message of the story. Mengulang kembali cerita atau pesan moral sebagai bentuk evaluasi. Coda, change of the characters of lesson or value of the story. Adanya perubahan nilai atau pelajaran dari karakter cerita. Reorientation, the ending of the story, menyatakan kesimpulan akhir dari cerita. Mari kita lihat penerapannya pada contoh teks berikut. Paragraf pertama dan kedua menceritakan tentang tokoh utama, kegiatan sehari-hari, pertemuan dengan istrinya, dan perjanjian mereka. Bagian ini disebut orientation. Paragraf selanjutnya membahas tentang kehidupan tokoh utama dan keluarganya. Masalah muncul ketika ia memarahi anaknya. Secara tidak langsung telah melanggar perjanjiannya dengan istrinya. Tokoh utama pun menyesal dan meminta maaf. Namun istrinya tidak bisa memaafkannya. Bagian ini merupakan complication. Dan pada paragraf terakhir menceritakan akibat dari pelanggaran janji tokoh utama. Terjadilah erupsi Gunung Merapi dan tempat sekelilingnya menjadi danau seketika. Inilah yang disebut bagian resolution. Sampai di sini teman-teman bisa paham ya?
The PowerPoint is finished. I have a task. This is the example of narrative text. Can you guys do it?
And how to cheer.
Yes, an ugly.
And
Okay, thank you. An ugly cheek. Can you guys analyze based on the structure? I want to show you the structure again. Okay. Cindy, can you help me?
Okay.
Why? Yeah, I don't know. There is no question.
That is trouble.
Can you see? Can you see?
Kami can.
Can you help me? Sure. The cursors cannot move.
Why?
I don't know. it's an ayam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's an ayam.
Okay, before analyze it, can you guys read just one paragraph per one person?
Okay.
Start from
Any
Annie.
verse? Okay. One day at the house.
One day.
One day at the house, there was a hen with her 7 eggs.
Ah.
The one of those eggs was too big for the little hen's eggs. The hen didn't understand how she had the egg, but she still took care of it.
Okay, thank you. And then the second.
The second part is long.
Ah, it's okay. Use while learning, okay?
At one morning, all of those eggs cracked. There were 6 yellow chicks and
I
one
know.
black and ugly chick. The mother didn't understand why one of his chicks was too big and black and ugly. The ugly chick also grew fast than the other 6 chicks. A chicken at the farm laughed at that ugly chick and every day they mocked him.
Ah.
That ugly chick was so sad. He was brown and ugly and he was so shy of his appearance.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Turn.
Next, your turn.
Okay. One day, the ugly chick decided to run away from the farm. He asked the other bird about his kind, but there was no bird who knew about him. He was more and more sad and lonely. He walked slowly near the river to get food. He saw his appearance at the river, and it was true that he was ugly and different from the other chicks.
Okay. Can I go? Okay, I mean glass.
When the ugly chick went alarm, the man come and caught him. The man took it home and kept it in a stall. Every day the man gave some food and water for that ugly chick. He was sad actually, but he felt alone inside that stall. He can see the other chicken outside the stall. He didn't understand why that man did not release him outside the stall. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. After you read, you guys easily to analyze. Please analyze. I'll give you 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
This is chapter.
Okay.
C.
Alright,
Okay.
I'm trying to analyze this text. Okay.
Okay, I will check again. Okay, Aisyah. Oh, Cindy, I'm sorry, Cindy. I always remember your name is Aisyah.
I should be.
Oh, thank you.
There's no farmer in here, miss.
Oh, there is no farmer.
Don't worry.
I'm sorry, Cindy.
That my ex is Farhan.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You still remember your ex? Please forget him.
Yes,
He just is
Oh my God, you are still
He
in
crushed
your high school.
Yes.
Yes. And you
Kick him to your heart.
Yes.
Should kick him.
Backstreet.
Move
Me.
on.
I'm Backstreet.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh, you have Backstreet?
Because my parents doesn't permit to relationship.
Actually, me too.
Teacher.
Oh my God. Okay. I mean, oh my God. No. 10 minutes.
Okay. Please check this my
Okay.
answer.
Ami, right? And okay. Okay. Can you? This is wrong. I think you are switch.
Oh yes, reorientation
Yes.
and the yes, I can ask you.
Okay. Okay.
I can do the differences or I can understand what the difference communication and isolation.
Okay. I will answer. Complication is the problem from that story. You can like maybe in your life like story on your ex. That's his problem, you know. What's your problem with your ex?
The ex is have girlfriend.
Girlfriend, not your girlfriend. Oh my God, that's really really hurt.
In my Belakang.
Okay, okay. No problem.
I want to
Break up with him.
Yeah, that's so sad.
Okay, are you understand what the difference of this complication?
I see,
Yes, the
I see.
complication is the problem.
Yeah.
The resolution is how to solve the problem itself.
Oh,
Yes.
nice, Eunice.
Yes.
And you can
What is it? What?
feedback.
Memorizing?
Yes, let's make. You make me so
Ah,
sad because
okay,
you
it's
make me
okay.
sad about him.
You actually you not remember him, but you are remember about the kenangan, you know, like
Yes,
memorable.
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay.
Because I'm smart.
Oh,
You are smart.
Are you
Smart people?
ranking one in
No.
this class?
No.
Okay, guys, I want to show you guys an ugly chick.
Hey.
There is no name in this paper. It's yours. Can you give the name? Yeah, this is no name. Can you give the name?
I have a friend.
Okay. Give it to me again.
That's me.
Okay, Annie. Okay, this is Annie's. The first paragraph is orientation. That's right. Can you guys agree with Annie's
I
answers?
agree.
The orientation. Can you see? The orientation is it about the who? Who is? I can see. Okay. 7 eggs. That is who and what?
Egg.
Yes. And where? It's a part in
Yes.
front. Yes. And the second paragraph is complication. What is complication? Complication in here, like the second and the 7 eggs, the 7th chick have a different with the word chick. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, what's the resolution? The resolution. Then he understood that he was not a chicken. Then it's a bird. Then he came to a bird and asked about his kind. That's right. And last is reorientation. What is reorientation? Can you, Muna? Can you read the orientation here?
We learn the beauty is not just about being equal to other people's
Okay.
standards,
Okay.
but the beauty resides within us, and we should love ourselves.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, the lesson is. Okay, the last is resolution. I want to read by myself. Resolution in this story is about we learn that the beauty is not just about being equal to other people's standard, but the real beauty resides within us, and we should to love ourselves. Okay, can you guys what is beauty?
What is beauty?
Yes. Is it about the beauty? I mean like the standard beauty is not about same with others, right? We just should to love ourselves. Okay, this is the answer of Cindy. Orientation,
Orientation, complication, resolution.
the orientation.
The
And this is of Muna and Amis. Orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. Okay, guys, you guys are did it. Okay. The last is can you guys make your own story like you like is it the Rapunzel, Cinderella, and also Snow White? Can you guys make some what is it the analyzing of the structure, the narrative text? You can also search on Google what is example of narrative text, and you should analyze it. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes to making your own story and your own analysis of what is it the story. Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. Making the analyze and the story, you can search on Google. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ami, I want to ask, how about your another topic? Okay, good. And now it's your story. What is your study habit choose? You search on Google and you analyze by yourself.
Yes.
What study?
Okay. Story.
Okay. Search on Google the story and you should analyze by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Choose your favorite story. No, another.
Oh, another.
Yes, another story. Another favorite story. Cindy, have you done? No? I'll give you 10 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, Cindy.
Yeah, wait.
Closer to you.
Okay, I'm free now.
No, just sit here. It's okay.
It's okay.
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 The story. What the story do you choose?
Cinderella story.
No, another story.
Another
You should-
story.
Another story, and you should analyze by the structure.
Another story.
Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes.
Okay.
You can search on Google.
Google,
and
story Google.
analyze by yourself.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes.
Yes, I know.
Just calm down, okay? And think clearly and correctly.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, you should do coming to the front. Who first?
Me.
Okay, coming to the front.
Oh, wait.
Me. Okay. Can you rock paper scissors? Not one, two first.
Ah, okay.
Oh, you just make us. Me first.
Yeah.
Okay.
The title is True Friends.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there were two close friends who were walking through the forest together.
What is it? The stay? That is the orientation.
Yes, that is orientation. They knew that anything dangerous can happen anytime in the forest. So they promised each other that they would always be together in any case of danger.
Okay. What is the complication? The complication.
The communication. Suddenly, they saw a large bear getting closer toward them. One of them climbed a nearby tree at once.
Okay.
There is the resolution and complication.
No, the resolution.
Oh,
Sorry.
right?
Yes.
Okay. And the last is the orientation. The bear came near the one who was lying on the ground. It smelled in his ears and slowly left the place because the bear do not want to touch the dead creatures.
Okay.
Thank you.
Give applause to Abi, guys. Okay, Muna, it's your turn.
Yes.
Yes.
The title is The Little Mermaid Story.
Okay.
And
The first is orientation.
orientation. No. One night, the little mermaid left her home and come to the surface. In the stormy night, the waves crashed against the rocks.
Okay. The second is complication.
Complication is the little mermaid always thought about the young man one day visit the witches of the sea shore. And
Okay. And then the resolution. What is
the
the resolution?
resolution, the king announced the princess as the future breed of the kingdom.
Okay.
The announcement left the mermaid in tears.
Okay. And the last is the orientation.
Oh, orientation is
The orientation is about the lesson.
what
The lesson, what we can get from that story.
here is a visual depiction of one of the most famous story for kids.
Okay, thank you. Give applause. Okay, next. Coming up, coming to the mark.
Annie?
Yes. Okay, Annie, what is the story do you choose? What story? Okay, Snow White, your favorite?
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Snow White. She was kind and gentle and a friend to all animals.
And that is the orientation. What is the complication from that story?
Snow White was in mother, the queen watched them. The queen was so jealous of Snow White's beauty that she ordered her huntsman to kill the young princess. But the huntsman couldn't bring himself to hurt Snow White. He
Wow.
told her to run far away so the queen wouldn't ever find her.
Wow, the complication is really complicated, right?
Yes.
What is the resolution from that
The
story?
resolution?
They live together and happily. Happy life.
Wait, this is a long story.
Okay, it's okay.
Finally, Snow White Prince Charming arrived.
Wow.
He had been searching everywhere for the beautiful princess he had found it so long ago.
Okay, thank you. And the last history orientation, what we can get from
The
that?
prince awakened Snow White with love first kiss. The spell was
Oh my god.
broken.
Oh my god.
Snow White and the prince returned to the kingdom and lived happily ever after.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Amy. And all you guys can get what our lesson today. Ami, can you make a conclusion?
We are
We're all learning.
melodic text and analyze the generic structure of the story.
What are the duties?
Orientation,
Yes.
the orientation,
Yes.
complication,
Yes.
and
The orientation.
Cindy, can you
Clarification.
clarification.
no reorientation. Can you spill what are the generic structure?
Generic structure is orientation,
Yes.
complication,
Okay.
resolution,
Okay.
reorientation.
Okay, thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and I hope you get the lesson from this.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Before we finish the lesson, can you pray?
Before we go in our home, let's pray together in